Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today in this presentation we are going to know about hot work permit. The main contents of this section are what is hot work permit flowchart, what are the sections in hot work permit and how to fill it. So let me start with what is hot work permit. It is an authorization to perform tasks in conditions that produce spark, flames or any other source of ignition. Examples of hot works are welding, grinding, cutting, buffing, drilling, etc. Next, hot work permit flowchart. This flowchart will guide the sequence and process of hot work permit usage. First of all, we have to assess the job. Does the job involve any ignition source or generate heat? If yes, can hot work be performed at fabrication yard or maintenance shop? Examine the area and perform the work without permit. If it is not able to perform at fabrication yard, it has to be performed at a designated or process area. Then obtain a written work permit, get clearance from the concerned authority, take necessary safety measures, verify the isolations and temporary connections, attach JSA to the work permit, get clearance from safety representatives and complete the hot work by following safety precautions and instructions. Next, what are the sections in hot work permit and how to fill it? This is a hot work permit format. It is very important to know about the contents in this format and how to fill this format without any corrections and confusions. Let me start with the first section. It is about permit title and reference number. To give clear identification of the permit, to ensure that permits can be easily stored and retrieved. This includes documentation number, version number and effective date. Next section is about additional permits. The details of other permit included with this permit if required. This permit is attached to general work permit. That's why the details of the job location, description of the work, temporary power supply details, electrical and mechanical isolations details are given in general work permit format. Next section is about precautionary measures to be verified before start of the work activity, which includes control measures. For example, what is the type of hot work we have mentioned here? Will this produce spark continuously or rarely? We have to assess. Have all the flammable and combustible materials removed from the area? We have to check. Has absence of flammable dust or powder been confirmed? In case of hot work in running plant, has the area been well isolated, example using fire blankets, etc. Or other source of flammable materials such as vents, drains in other area well isolated? Is water source for extinguishing spatters or molten metals in case of welding or cutting been arranged or tested? Are right types of portable fire extinguisher and adequate in number available? We have to give details here. Has arrangements been made for adequate lighting in work area? Is additional venting is required based on the location of the work? Are access and exit to the work location are adequate and clear of obstacles? Next section includes risk assessment of the hot work carried out by safety representative, which includes the assessment of asphyxiation hazards, PPE requirement, risk of contamination to be assessed. Next section is about the test verification of equipments. What are the equipments to be used at job? We have to write the list of equipments here. Then check the welding machines, welding cables, flashback arrestors and cable management, etc. In case of asphyxiation hazard, breathing air provision to be made. Next, permit validity, duration of the working hours, date of the work to be carried out. Next, authorizations, name, designation and signature of the originators, users, issuing authority, site checkers and other designated authorities. Next, permit extension. If permit requires extension, then clearance taken to this section. And last one, permit sign off, the final part of the permit which tells about the completion of the given task. This is about hot work permit. Hope you understand about the hot work permit. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Once again, thank you and have a safe day.